apply Bodmer's rule in order to solve this. Okay? Alright. According to Bodmer's rule, we are expected to start from the bracket first. After the bracket, division. After division, multiplication. After multiplication, addition. And finally, subtraction. Now that we have bracket in this problem, we're going to start from the bracket. Now inside the bracket, we have 18 divided by 3 minus 2. Because division is the first priority in the bracket before subtraction. And so we're going to start with 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Then 6 minus 2, we're having 4. Then you square. This is 4 squared is equals to 16. What we have from the bracket is what? 16. Now the next priority is multiplication. Here, not here. Because this is what? Addition. Okay? So 16 times 1 over 4 will be having 4. Right, and finally we have 5 over 8 plus 4. This is what? 5 over 8 plus 4 over 1 equals to 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 8 divided by 1 is 8 times 4 is 32. Equals to 32 plus 5 is 37 all over 8. Or 4 whole number 5 over 8 as the final answer. Thank you for watching.